BitTorrent or BTT has been on a roll since the last 14 days, giving a return of more than 35%. More and more people are getting into this altcoin. But what are the charts of BTT indicating, and what exactly is BTT? So in today's video, we are going to cover the technical analysis of BTT and also going to share our perspective price prediction for the short term. So if you are a BTT fan or you are looking for an altcoin to invest in, you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, you make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Further, if you have any questions about any particular altcoin or want to be a part of a very active family discussing about cryptocurrencies 24/7, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. If you like to read about cryptocurrencies and want to increase your knowledge, make sure you visit our website wherein we post interesting articles. The link for that is in the description below as well. Also on the website, we have a crypto consulting session. So if you want to get a one-on-one session live with our experts and have any questions that you would like to get answered for, make sure you click on the book a crypto consulting button, which will take you to this page, and from here you can fill the form and book a session for yourself. This will be a paid service. Now let's move on to today's video. So today we are going to cover about BitTorrent. So BitTorrent, as we can see, in the last 14 days has given a return of 32.4% approximately, but in the last 1 year it has given a return of nearly 2,900%, right? Now if I have to talk about very briefly about what BitTorrent is, so BitTorrent was initially conceived by Bran Cohen, a peer-to-peer protocol for users to transfer files around the world. So if you have been in India, you would be pretty much aware about BitTorrent, or anywhere in the world for that matter. BitTorrent has been used widely across the world for transferring files. These files sometimes contains movies as well, some video files, audio files, anything of that sort. It is built on a Tron blockchain. So it is a TRC10 token, which makes it faster and less costlier to transfer than other tokens which are built on the ERC20 network, which is built on the Ethereum network. So this token is built on the Tron net blockchain as well. Now, what is the use for this platform? This token is added to introduce some economic features on BitTorrent for networking, bandwidth and storage resources to be shared and traded. So that is the use case for this particular token, because the team at BitTorrent wanted to generate some revenue so they can improve on the networking, the bandwidth, as well as the sources, the storage resources, the bandwidth and the networking as well. Right now, let's move on to the charts and let's see what they have in store for us. Let's first go to the BTT USD chart, and we are on the daily time frame. So one of the major things that comes to my notice immediately when I launch on this chart is the excellent support that BTT has shown to its 20-day moving average. So from the last year, basically since March, so this was the last time since March, we have traded under the 20-day moving average only thrice. So once was this period from February till March, 1 month here. Then there was a small period from September 1st to 13th, so another 13 to 14 days. Another period came in February, from February 22nd till March 15th, so approximately 3 weeks there. And very recently, from April 17th till May 5th, we actually traded below the 20-day moving average. What does this indicate? This indicates that this was an excellent buying opportunity for BitTorrent token going forward. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but just looking at the patterns and just by looking left, that's what we like to do on our channel. We see that the period from April 17th or April 18th right through May 6th was a great buying opportunity. And if you are a part of our premium channel, wherein we like to share inputs with our premium members, we actually gave them a buy signal for BTT when it was at around these levels, okay, below the 20-day moving average. And like most of the our premium members are currently sitting on a profit of more than 40%. So if you want to be a part of the premium group, do join our Telegram channel and let us know. Moving on, what is the next thing that is coming to my mind? The next thing is the beautiful market structure that BTT has been forming if we consider, let's say, from February onwards. On February 8th, we made a new all-time high, and then we consolidated a bit, then again another all-time high on 21st February, then again a phase of consolidation. So this continues actually, a consolidation, another all-time high, and this thing actually continued till we reached the highs of 0.013 on the 5th of April. From there, we had a solid correction of around 50 to 60%. So let's take a quick measurement what this percentage was. So it was around 62%, so which is again very, very healthy. So if you have seen our video on how to choose the perfect altcoin for your portfolio, we have mentioned that this kind of correction is very healthy. You can click the icon above my head and you can see that video if you haven't watched it yet, and it will be a great value addition. Now, one other thing on the daily chart that I would like to indicate is the stochastic RSI, which we like to analyze to measure the momentum. So on the daily time frame, the stochastic RSI is actually telling us that we have almost maxed out. So there are two scenarios that can happen here. One could be that we might move sideways. So currently the stochastic RSI is at around 98.9. So that's the blue line I'm talking about, okay? So it's around 98.9 and it's in the overbought zone, obviously. So there are two things that can happen. Number one, it can actually move sideways and let the red line, which is currently at around 69, near this thing. That is a possibility. What is the second possibility? The second possibility is that we might get a correction, which might be again very healthy, but that correction will not stay on for very long. Again, this is not a financial advice, but if we get a correction and we tend to get below the 20-day moving average, I will be looking to add some positions to BitTorrent. Now, let's quickly measure and quickly see what are our key support and resistance levels. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the Fib retracement. So let's quickly do that. The Fib retracement. As we can see, there was an excellent support at around this region, at around 0.007 region, and the region of 0.0082 that acted as a strong resistance. You know, once we broke below it, we tried to broke it once, twice, 3, 4, 5. We actually broke above it as well for a couple of days. Then we got this heavy correction, and then we went right to our local bottom as well. So this level of 0.008 is a strong resistance for us to actually print higher high. What we want to do is actually close a daily candle above this level of 0.0082, which is again very important. Now, what would be the next level after we cross that? Another important level would be obviously this level of 0.009. And from there we can take it as it goes. Again, this level of 0.01 could prove to be some sort of resistance, and the final sort of resistance will be at the levels of 0.13. Now, I am not saying that this is going to happen right on, let's say, the next week. This will take some time. We will have multiple corrections along the way. We might have, corrections which can lead us to below the 20-day moving average as well, but we should be treating them as a great buying opportunity and we should not panic. One other thing that I would like to tell to my viewers today is never chase any pumps or never FOMO into any coin. So we had made a video about 10 mistakes that people usually make while trading in cryptocurrencies. So I strongly recommend you watch that video. If you haven't still watched it, you can click the icon above my head and you can see that video. Now let's move on to the BTT Bitcoin chart. On the BTT Bitcoin chart, there are a few things that I would like to show to you. First of all, just like the BTT US dollar chart, we had a correction in the BTT BTC charts as well, and it was around 50%. So let's take a quick measurement for the correction. It was around 53%. Again, it is a very healthy correction that we had, and we actually hold this region of 12 satoshis as a good support. We actually broke below it once, then from there we have been getting 3 green candles. So that is a good sign going forward. Now what I like to show you is the fib retracement so that we can identify key levels, because as we have told you earlier also, for altcoins it's important that you take a look at the Bitcoin value or the Bitcoin chart, right, and trade in Bitcoin as much as possible, because that will cover your opportunity cost as well. So we have discussed about opportunity cost in our previous videos. Further, if you would like to discuss about opportunity cost and what exactly it means, you can click the link given in the description below of our Telegram channel and join our Telegram channel. So we are a small family of around 500 members, but we make sure that if you ask any question, that gets answered either by me or someone from the community. Now moving on to the fib retracement on the daily chart of BTT BTC. Now as we can see here, this level of 13 Satoshis actually acted as a strong resistance right from 13th of April. So we broke below it on the 12th of April, then we tried breaking it on 14th, did actually break out on the 17th of April, but then again we got rejected on the 15 Satoshis level, and from then we got down as low as 11 Satoshis as well. From there, since the 5th of May, just like the US dollar chart, on the Bitcoin chart as well, we have been making new highs. What is the key level as far as the BTT Bitcoin chart is concerned? I think the most important level for us is currently this 15 Satoshis level. As you can see today also, we had a wick, so that indicates that there was some selling pressure which did not allow the price to hold above these regions. In the coming days, we need to break above this 15 Satoshis level, and then only we'll have our next targets in hand. Now let's go to the BTT Bitcoin weekly chart, and there is something that I would like to show you on the weekly chart as well. So on the weekly chart, what I am noticing is we are actually forming a bull flag, right? You can see here. So we are actually in the middle of forming a bull flag on the BTT Bitcoin chart. This is considered to be an extremely bullish formation. Usually what happens is these tend to break to the upside, but the keyword here is usually. It's not like always it breaks to the upside, like there's no guarantee in trading, as you all know, right? So most of the time it tends to break to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, let's measure what could be our price target. Our price target for the BTT Bitcoin chart in the coming time would be, if I have to consider this bull flag, is somewhere around. So it all depends when we actually break above it, but if that is the case, our target for this thing is around 30 Satoshis. So we are looking at least a 2x gain from here in terms of Satoshis for BTT chart. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. But if you are trading, or if you are looking to trade BTT, make sure you trade only after this pattern is broken, either to the upside. If it breaks to the downside, then there's I believe that you will not be trading. But people might, after looking at this video, by looking at that, okay, it can reach 30 Satoshis, I might trade in this thing. But it is always advisable that you do not trade inside any pattern, because patterns, generally they tend to break on one side, but the opposite is also possible. For example, bull flag generally tends to break to the upside, but you never know if this time it breaks to the downside. So you do not want to risk your portfolio. One other important thing that I would like to highlight here is the stochastic RSI, and on the stochastic RSI on the daily chart. So on the stochastic RSI on the daily, we have some great news coming. As we can see, the blue line is currently at 81 level and the red is at 48 level. For us to have a strong momentum, we need to fulfill at least two criterias. Number one, the blue line has to be inside this zone above 20, which is it at currently. It needs to cross the red line, which it has done. Also, the red line needs to enter into this zone above 20, which it has done already, and it's currently at 48. So these are, as far as the BTT Bitcoin chart is concerned, this is some amazing news, and we can expect some upside. Now, this upside could be because of two reasons. Number one, we can have a rise in the BTT value, BTT USD value, and Bitcoin remains stable. That would actually increase this value. The other scenario could be BTT remains stable and Bitcoin actually corrects. That would also result in the BTT Bitcoin value to increase as well. Third reason for this increasing could be Bitcoin also increases and BTT also increases by more percentage than what Bitcoin increases. Okay, so for example, if Bitcoin increases by 10%, if BTT increases by 15%, this will actually result in this line going up again. One important thing to look out for is this zone above 80, which has earlier acted as a support. It could act as a resistance at these levels, but we are already seeing we are at 81.8 levels, so that is another good sign. So do let me know in the comments below if you are holding any BTT, or if you plan to hold any BTT. We actually held a poll on our community, and more than 2/3 of the people actually voted that they are actually planning to buy BTT, or they are actually holding BTT. That's why I thought we should be making a video on BTT. If you are not yet a member of our Telegram channel, make sure you join our Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description below. Also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make and release new videos every day based on the demands of our community members, and I believe they add some value to them as well. And also, if you like the video, do hit the like button. And if you like to read about cryptocurrencies, make sure you visit our website. And if you'd like to get an expert opinion on your portfolio, or if you have any doubts you would like an expert to talk to, you can always book a crypto consulting session by clicking on this button and filling up a form. Our crypto experts would be calling you at a convenient time, and they would be clearing all your doubts. So that's pretty much about it for today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with as many people as you can, so that they also gain this knowledge, because I believe BTT is one of those coins which has a good potential to grow. So make sure you give your family or your friends a good opportunity to earn more from cryptocurrency by sharing this video, by sharing the information. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.